Let me tell you first. To repair this Rotimakker, tools must be used. If you have this kind of screwdriver at home, it will be more convenient. For loose screws, follow the screws. It is okay to have this manual one. Then when the machine fails, the first thing we did was put this flour container. Take it out and take all three. Then there is the following. We take out this base and take out this container. If the screen shows a motor flour error here, it just prompts the wrong flour. If the flour is wrong, you need to put it here. Here's a screw. Show that the screw is too tight, so this screw cannot be rotated. As a result, the flour cannot be poured from here, so you need to use a screwdriver to put this screw. Loosen up a little, twist it to the left, and it's okay. Just twist it a little bit and loosen it a little bit. After loosening, just restart it.